Like, look at all these baby hairs. Where do you come from? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Usually, like 4 times a year, I open these cute little boxes from Fabfitfun because they're quarterly. Sometimes I wish they were monthly, but then I realize how expensive they are and like all the stuff I get in them, and I'm like, yeah, we should space it out like we do. So we're gonna keep it the way it is. Not like that's my choice, but today we're gonna be opening up my Fabfitfun box for fall. I don't know if you could tell based off of everything in the box. And I'm kind of excited, but then like at the same time, it's very light, so I'm a little kind of confused as to why it's so light, but then I know I'm the one who picked everything in here, except I think for like 1, 2 things. I know I've been choosing the mystery option items because I was not happy with a few categories once upon a time, and a few people suggested go for the mystery items, so I have. And I'm not really that disappointed. I think I'm less disappointed with the mystery items than I am with the choices in the category. Anyway, if you're new to Fabfitfun, I'll leave more in the description down below. It's of course quarterly, you get 4 a year, and then there's I think 6 categories you can pick items from. 1 item from each category. I'm annual. We're gonna say annual. Well, I'm annual, so I can pick all the categories. I know seasonal you can pick I think some or most. I've never been seasonal, so I don't know. But we're gonna open this up together. I got my app pulled up, so we're just gonna go over everything together. I got my app pulled up because I thought ahead this time. Here's my handy dandy little cloud cut knife, and we cut away from our set. How is this? Is that, oh, hold on, sit down right there. Is this? Yeah. Okay, I think I got it. It's just hard to open. Oh, I got it. But here it is. Fabfitfun Fall 2023. It says right there. I didn't even have to say anything. I'm just going to start showing you throughout the video, not talking. Hopefully everybody's not busy and you can read. Oh, thank you for shopping. Have a nice day. Thank you. Is that like their little ads or sponsors? Oh, that's cute. It says, come on in. I plan on it. Hello, beautiful. Hi. And this is cute. They've been including these in like every box, I think for like the last 3 boxes. I don't think I get anything from the scratches. I scratch them and nothing seems to like come from them. So I don't think I know how this works. Anyway, here's my crumpled paper. And then ads. Oh, what is this? Yeah, the HelloFresh ad. I don't use that because my humans eat so much. And then this is my box. This is my fall box. First of all, this I think is super pretty. What is this? Ricola Throat Balm. Pectin Oral Demulcent. So it helps like with the mucus and whatnot. I'm not a huge fan of cough drops, honestly, but I know some people who are. It's this caramel flavor with liqueur center. We're gonna put those to the side because that's a hard maybe. Anyway, here's all of my stuff. All of my, what is it, 7 items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7. And I did do an add-on because I thought it was cute and I want to grow this category in my life. Because I'm trying to pull up the categories from what I had. So the first option for the first thing I got, it's from Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. I'm assuming, yes. It's this little kitty right here. It's supposed to help my hair. I could have gotten like tote bags, scarves, glasses, something from Murad, and of course like a mystery choice item. But I did pick this. And this, let me pull it up here while that loads. It's $45. Living Proof is pretty good. I've tried a few of their products for my hair and I like them all. So this is a triple bond complex hair strengthener, which I don't necessarily need, but if I plan on going like whiter with my hair, which I do, I want to make sure I have these things available. So start with 2 plums, apply to clean, damp hair, and comb through. Wait 10 minutes and then blow dry. Use weekly. Oh, so just once a week? That's it. It looks like a little serum doodle. Okay. That's nice. $45. Okay. The next item is from Alex and Ani. And I've seen a few of these items. Just the like jewelry items. And I really wanted to get this one because I don't think I liked anything else in the category. This is $45. It's the Emerald Flex Cuff Bracelet. Oh yeah, there were a few other things. Like you have your mystery choice. The Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I already have one of those. The Fenty Beauty drops, like the glow enhancers. I have those already. The citrine jars. Did I already mention that? Another plaid scarf. Smart jump rope. And then there's this. So I figured, let's get this, try it out, see if I like it. $45. Shouldn't be too bad. Emerald crystal represents hope and spiritual growth and is believed to bring good fortune and prosperity to your life. We'll see what you can do. I like how it's wrapped. And oh so dainty. Oh my god, there is no way this is gonna... It might. What if I can't? I'm a little worried. I probably should have looked into this more because I don't know what this material is. Even though this is emerald, I have a really bad sensitivity to metals. I wonder. I might have to pass this on, but I think it's really cute. I'm going to pop it in its little baggie here. Probably pack it back up in here too also. Anyway, $45. I'm gonna try it. We'll see how it goes. All right, the next item okay, so this next item is that I picked is the Protein Power Bond. Oh, I did this all about hair, didn't I? Yeah, I think I did. Look how pretty this is. We are just milky, milky delicious. It's from FEKKAI. Super Strength Plus Protein Power Bond Mist. Shake before use. Oh my god. Spray through damp to dry hair. Or dry hair, I guess. From roots to ends. Do not rinse and then style as desired. That's pretty cool. So I got this. I could have gotten a Living Proof boar bristle hairbrush, a silk pillowcase, candle, plates, head wrap, that Euphoria blush, which I'm like, I have so many blushes. No. Dry shampoo, which I got a ton of. I don't need more right now. Or some earrings. It's funny how I say or. This is $28. And I did decide to do an add-on of the earrings because I thought they were really cute. They look very simple, very like, let me take them, shoving the plastic in your face. Let me take them out. They're very cute. They're very dainty. I think I did an add-on for like $12. Does it tell me? Maybe? No. But here they are. Love AJ. It's like a pleathery material. They're cute. They're dainty. They're the littlest of things. I hope they're good. It says that they were silver. I hope not just in color. I wish I had like more. I'm trying to take these off. Oh, I broke a nail. Oh my gosh. How do I open these? It's just like the open, right? Ooh, takes a bit of strength, but yeah, you just, and then I want to see if they'll be okie dokie. Oh, they're tiny. Itty bitty. It's gonna work out okay. Did it go all the way through? Oh. Okay, it did. Let me see over here. That is pretty tiny. It's really cute. These are nice. I like them. They're a little tiny for my chunky earlobes, but we'll see. Anywho. Yeah, I'm gonna wear these and see how they do. I hope they don't irritate my ears too much, just because like my earlobes are a little chunky and these are kind of thin. I want something I can wear like all the time, like I do with my Pandora one that I have here. Not that popping more Pandora ones in my ears aren't cute. I just wanted a little bit more variety, like the hoops maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anywho, moving on. Option 4. Ooh, okay. Are you in here? Where? Oh, there you are. Option 4. I have not bought anything from KVD Beauty. I used to love the Kat Von D tattoo liner that they had. And this is the KVD tattoo liner. $25. I could have picked over the knee socks, which I would love, but I doubt because I have super large baby cows, like the largest. The rest of me, kind of normal size. My baby cow's gigantic, so I didn't want to chance it. I could have also gotten like the Unplugged Meditation, eye cream, the pimple stickers, cleanser, or lip balm. And I have all those things. So I went with this, $25. Black Trooper. I can't open it. Now I'm scared my nails are gonna break even more. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna start using it right away. So I want to see if it still has the, it does. The one that I found, this is the one, but the liner that I found that's really close to this was the NYX that I use. This though, ugh. The lines that it gives, the precision that it gives, oh my god, I love it. When the first one I had ran out, which was like a baby little sample size, I started crying, and like I was in Vegas for like the first trip that I had, like first couples trip I was on, and I was so sad and I cried, and then they helped me and they were like, it's okay, we'll go to Sephora. Very supportive of them, but this is my choice. The next, ooh, so the next category, did it? I think this is a mystery choice. It says there's a value of $38. I could have chosen salt and pepper shakers, hand wash, a little needlepoint, some shower steamers, a coffee scrub, but I went with the mystery choice. And I'm gonna assume that this Kate Somerville is my mystery choice, worth $38. I love how this is like dry already. I can feel it. It's great. Anyway, back to this. It's the EXFOLIKATE cleanser daily foaming wash. Foaming. Are you? Oh, my nose. My nose is itchy. Use AM and PM twice a day. Apply a small amount. Wet face. Massage gently 30 seconds. Rinse away. That's it. Huh. All skin types. Okay, I wonder if I have one of these. I don't know if you can see on the shelves behind me, I've started to keep boxes in like age order of all the items I've gotten. I have that are there. So this will be going over there until I'm ready to use it. And I've been using my facial cleansers pretty often since I double cleanse. So we'll see how that goes. $38? Pricey. Ooh, the next and last item. This is totally like a hair and like a little bit of jewelry kind of box. So, well, I shouldn't say that, but hair primarily. Anyway, the next item is from Verb, the Ghost Prep Heat Protectant for $20. I've tried the Verb, what was it? It was like a hair oil before. Amazing. The first time I ever tried a hair oil, I'm pretty sure it was Verb. It was in like the Sephora little monthly boxes you could get. I fell in love. I went to the store to purchase it and they were like, oh yeah, sure, it's like $30–40. And me like 7 years ago was like, I'll just take a look around. Yeah, because that was a lot. So I did pick this. I could have picked the, looks like a perfume, a waist pack, like a fanny pack, a blanket, Better Than Sex mascara, body lotion, travel bags, mini ring box, and Cover FX palette. So I went with this because this is a brand I know, I enjoy. We're gonna do this. How do I use you? It's a styling primer formulated to moisturize and heat protect hair up to 425 or 215. Does it tell me? Application way down here. Oh no, that is a different language. Oh wait. Where it says application right above it, that's in English. Blend a small amount into hands and apply evenly through damp hair. Style as usual. So just before I blow dry. That's cool. I don't really blow dry too often. I try not to, but cool. And that's everything in my Fabfitfun fall box. Oh, until next time. That's cute. So yeah, that's everything I got. Let me see if I can arrange it kind of nicely, neatly, prettyly. I'm like super hesitant, mainly because of that, but so what do you think? This is my, look, get it all in frame, everybody. This is my fall Fabfitfun box and I love it. Of course I pick everything, so I love everything. There are those times though that, like with my mystery item, you don't like everything, but most of the time I think I do enjoy the subscription. Go check out my playlist though if you want to see any kind of past boxes that I've chosen, that I made, that I picked, that have come to me. I have a whole Fabfitfun playlist. So if you just want to sit there and listen through the whole thing, they're there for you. I want to know what you guys got in your Fabfitfun box. Make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know. Maybe we got some similar items. Maybe you ended up picking up these cute little earrings. Let me know. And I will catch you next time. Bye!